Sign and Sound Theatre is a Creative Europe project funded by the European Commission to promote inclusive bilingual theatre as a format to bring deaf and hearing actors and deaf and hearing audiences together. In the next few months, theatre companies from 5 countries, Bulgaria, Croatia, Portugal, UK and Belgium, will premiere the play Kukenor by Eero Engqvist in their own spoken and sign languages. This theatre format, where hearing and deaf actors play together on an equal basis in duo roles, can become a powerful instrument to reach more deaf audiences, but also to create mixed audiences of hearing and deaf spectators. As a young international partnership, we would like to build up international networking between members of the deaf arts community. This workshop will therefore also be about exploring the needs and aspirations of deaf actors and theatre companies in the context of international networking.